And by using this method, you can find all the harmful application in your device. And hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and this is Alfas and you're watching alfastechz. And today in this video, I am going to showing that how to find a harmful application in your device. And sometimes you are installing a application from a Chrome browser or any other browser, and you didn't recognize it's a harmful application in your device. So in this video, I am going to showing that how to find a harmful application in your device. And without wasting our time now, let's move to the video. And what's up guys, and at first you need to open your Play Store in your device. And after in the Play Store you can see search option, microphone option, and after that in the top of this Play Store you can see a profile icon, and you want to just select this profile from here. And after that in the profile you can see more of the options like my apps, library, payment, play, protect, and etc. And here you want to select the option play protect from here. And after in the play protect you can see no harmful apps are found in my device, because I haven't downloaded any type of harmful application for my device. And if you see this interface no harmful apps in your device, you can think that your device is fully healthy. And if you see harmful app found, you need to just select the application from here. Here I have no application of harmful, and here if you have any harmful application you can see the application name in front of this interface. And after that, if you want to once again check your all the application is it harmful or not, you can just select the scan option from here. And after that you can see scanning, and just wait till this process. And after the scanning you can see no harmfuls are found in my device, and because my device is fully healthy. And if you have been problem any type of harmful application is showing here, you can just once again scan this process and you can find the harmful application in your device, and there is no need to download any application. And without wasting our time, thanks for watching our video.